Good morning, sunshines. We are here with another Let's Learn With Me crochet tutorial. I'm taking my own advice this time and reading the pattern all the way through before we start. Today we are going to do the offset V-stitch. As I'm reading the book, you guys, this is the 500 crochet stitches, the ultimate crochet stitch Bible book, which I will link in the description below. Just full transparency, it is an affiliate link. It will, however, give me a small commission. So if you decide to get this book, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Let's see if I can figure this out. Let me know in the comments below if you're working with me. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Marty, and I am the owner of Flawsome Stitches Crochet. I design crochet amigurumi and also wearables. So we are having fun today, and I am still in the learning process. So I figured I'd just bring y'all on the journey with me. Let's hop in. Okay. So today I am using Bernat Super Value. It is 7 ounces, 197 grams, 440 yards. It does recommend a 5mm hook, which is exactly what we are going to be using today. 5mm. And it is a 4-weight, although I'm going to be honest, it's really thin for a 4-weight. So we'll see what we come up with. I've got myself all tangled up already. Okay, there we go. 3 stitches plus 1, and then plus 3 for the foundation chain. So I have decided all of these little things that I'm learning, and I kind of got this idea from Raylene at Truck and Crochet. I will actually link the interview that I did with her right up here or there. Anyway, I'll link that video up here. And in that video, she talks about her sampler blanket. I've decided to do something similar. I'm not going to do just like she did, but because I am learning all of these new stitches, I'm going to make a swatch or a square of each of the stitches. And then at the end of the year, I will put them all together, which is going to be super exciting. Plus 1 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, skip to work a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, into the next, and then repeat all the way through. Okay, we can do this. We can totally do this. 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 4th. Skip 2, and then work a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same, skip 2, 2, and do another V-stitch, double crochet, chain, double crochet, skip 2, and into the 3rd. If you guys are following along with me, I think that's amazing. Um, let me know what yarn you're using and what you think of this stitch. And I will meet you at the end. I just realized I don't have any of my lighting on. So if my lighting is a little bit off, I apologize. Um, I will make it better for the next tutorial. I promise. Okay, so we are the last V-stitch. Now there's 3 stitches left, and according to the pattern, you skip 2 and then just put 1 double crochet right here. Okay, so now we are going to chain 4, double crochet into the first stitch, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet into the first stitch. Oop, good. And then we're going to do a V-stitch into the second double crochet of the next V. Okay, so we're going to skip these two. All right, I see what's going on. That's why they call it offset. That's kind of groovy. Have you ever done this stitch before? Oops. And we're just going to be repeating that all the way across. So we're going to do a V-stitch in the second of every V-stitch from the row below. And that is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. You know, I really kind of expected this stitch to be a lot more difficult than it is. It's really not difficult at all. And to be honest, it seems like it's working up pretty fast. I know we're only on row 2, I know, but if you watched the last video, the last Let's Learn With Me video, I'm going to put it up here. If you watch that video, you'll realize that stitch was really difficult for me. I had a really hard time learning it. Um, it wasn't, it was beautiful, but it was challenging. I'll just say that. It was extremely challenging. This one doesn't seem as challenging as the other one. Okay, so let's see. It says for this one, there's 1 double crochet and then the turning chain. We're going to skip the double crochet, skip 1 chain, and into the second turning chain, which is this one, we're going to put a double crochet here. And then we're going to repeat row 2. 2, 3, 4, double crochet in the first chain. This is actually pretty cool. And into the second double crochet of the V-stitch, we're going to place another V-stitch. You know, this book is absolutely amazing to me. It has really opened my eyes to stitches I never even imagined were available. Oh my goodness. And I'm trying to think. Okay, so on this one, there's 1 double crochet. We skip that first chain, and into the second chain, we do a double crochet. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. That's actually kind of groovy. It's kind of wah, 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 wah. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to chain 4, turn the work, double crochet into that very first stitch. Oh, come on, Marty. And then again, work a V-stitch into the second double crochet of the V-stitch in the row below. Okay, so here we are right now. We've done 3 rows. I'm going to keep going until I have the size of swatch that I want. I want this to be a square, and then I'm going to actually just do a single crochet all the way around. So I will meet you when I get done with my square. I will meet you right back here. This is a really easy stitch. If you're a beginner and you're not really, comfortable doing a variety of stitches, they might seem too complicated. This is one you should definitely try because it's so easy. It's basically just double crochet and chain. That's, uh-oh, Marty, come on now. Pull it together. That's pretty much it. So, as long as you know how to do a double crochet and a chain, you got this. You can totally rock this stitch. And this would be really pretty as a top. Um, this would be really pretty as a top. Uh, it is like, obviously there's a lot of holes, but it's not enough that would cause, you wouldn't be able to see all your goodies, but it would let the air flow through, which would make it really good for like spring or fall, and maybe even summer if you get a lighter weight yarn. This is a weight 4, so I don't know about it being okay for summer. Um, this is also 100% acrylic, so I don't know that I would use this particular yarn for a top, but I don't know. It might work. I do like the way the burnout works up. I think it's really pretty and I love the sheen. I'm doing one more row. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine. But this is going to be my last row. Have you ever done that when you're making squares? I'm like, it's close enough. It's fine. We're fine. It's all fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like that. This is the last row. This is going to be beautiful. No. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it one more time. There. It's a little bit taller than it is long. It's okay. It's fine. All right. So at this point, I'm just going to double crochet all the way around. So in order to do that, I'm just going to chain one and then right back into this space. I'm going to 1, 2. I'm going to put 2 single crochets in each of the double crochet and then also into each of the stitches, like right here. If you can see, I'm going to pop one in there. And the edging it right now in this color, even though I don't know what other colors are going to be in this blanket, is going to make it a lot easier to, um, whoa, slow down there, Tonto. Okay. It's going to make it easier to sew them together. And then this little chain, I'm going to go chain one. And they're right back in there. Do I'm going to do 2 single crochets in each, for the chain spaces. One chain space, two, and then one inside each of the actual stitches. Okay, there's one. Ooh, wait, two. I'm going to chain one. So we're making this corner right here. And I'm going to do 2 more right here. I'm going to hide this tail as we go. And the same thing with this side. I'm going to do 2 single crochets, chain one, and then we're going to, nope, that's not true. We're going to do 3, is it? Yeah. And this, we're going to do 3, chain one, and then we're just going to do 1, and then we're going to single crochet in each of the stitches across and into each of the chain spaces. Shop right there. Okay. So in all honesty, this probably needs to be blocked. And it's fine. We're fine. It's all fine. So there we go. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely needs to see how it's wiggly right here. Yeah. All right. Let's see what it turned out to be with. Okay, so that wow, it really did stretch it out, didn't it? Yes, it did. But it's pretty stinking close. Look at that. Perfect. Perfection. All right. So we definitely have a square that will be used for my sample blanket. Look at how beautiful that is. As you can see, there is holes in it, but it's really, I think it's beautiful. I think this would make for a beautiful top. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did you make your own with me? I want to give a special shout out to my members who have been amazing at supporting me. If you want to be a channel member, I will drop the link in the description below. Bye now.